kambals! Welcome to our vlog number 4. And as always, follow and subscribe. Thank you!
During taxing,
How are you guys feeling? Are you guys excited?
I want to eat.
Ito na yung last working.
I can't wait to eat the kebabs.
Alright. Then, nandito kami sa Uzbekistan Airways. Alright. Are you hungry? What did they tell you earlier? Are they always sweet to you?
Yes.
What did they say?
They said I was cute, and then the other guy asked what was my name.
They said you were cute. Saan?
oh, she's so cute.
That's it.
По обновлению Джанатина, Узбекистан Airways авиакомпания за самолета Сакиге, Пушкиревцы.
Oh, nice. Vegan.
Walang matutulog, maggala na tayo, Char.
Ayan, so finally, we have arrived here in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. We've been waiting for months para makarating dito, and by God's grace, andito na kami, and we're so excited to start our journey here.
No, it's not.
I recommend you to go to the mountain side. Maybe to
So, ang una naming napansin while driving towards our new home ay yung streets. Sobrang linis talaga ng mga streets dito. Walang trash and usually mga fallen leaves lang. And speaking of leaves, maraming puno dito sa Uzbekistan. And if you'll notice in the videos that we took, just like this one, the delivery riders are using bicycles instead of motorcycles.
A few moments later.
We were lucky enough to be placed in a residential area, so very convenient yung paligid, like banks, may coffee shop, may mga mini-marts and all.
This is the living room.
So abangan nyo na lang yung house tour sa mga susunod na vlogs, but for now, nag-unpack kami agad after dumating. We needed to unpack kasi kailangan namin yung mga clothes namin at saka para makita namin kung ano pa ba yung kailangan naming bilhin. Kasi later, dito sa vlog, pupunta kami sa supermarket. So very short na supermarket trip lang.
Later that same evening.
So ayun na nga, lumabas kami ng 7:24 ng gabi. Pero ganito pa rin siya kaaraw. Actually, pa-sunset na that time. And it's so beautiful talaga.
Cassie? Don't know how to what?
Hello! Welcome to Tashkent!
So where are we?
Tashkent City Park.
Tashkent City Park.
And ilang minutes lang away.
Parang
Wala pang time.
parang 15 minutes lang kung dara-diretso.
Wala na tayo.
Yeah.
Talaga?
Hmm.
Saan tayo naglalagay? Ano lang? 7 minutes na sobrang easy walk as in hindi nagmamadali.
Hindi nga ako pawis eh. Pero ano siya, hot and dry. hot and dry yung ano dito, yung weather niya ngayon. Medyo mahirap huminga pag di ka sanay.
Summer kasi.
Oo nga.
I don't understand.
Ikot na tayo sa park. Ang sarap dito area.
Ganda lagi ng lugar
Ayun
dito.
pala yung mall.
Kailangan ng water kasi super dry pa inungan na. Tubig, 5,000. Okay. Coca-Cola. So imagine we like watching walking vlogs here. Tapos nandito na kami. Can't believe it. Ayan sila. So, we're going to the city mall, Tashkent City Mall. Kasi, kakain kami. Wala pang matinong kain tayo, no, lahat.
No, me.
Kami din. Oh yeah, especially her. Kasi hindi niya nagustuhan yung airplane food. Tapos tulog pa siya. Tapos yung pinakain ko sa'yo, ayaw mo. Ayun. So, kakain kami. Tapos mag-grocery.
We're gonna eat KFC.
So, tong park na to ay parang 10 to 15 minutes walk lang from our place. Tapos, pag ganito yung weather, okay lang maglakad, no? Sobrang okay. Tapos, ito naman, nakagwida lang yan. And then, ito yung malapit na mall. So, gusto namin mag-mall, 15 minutes na walk. Pwede ka namang mag-Yandex or yung Grab nila rito. But, sayang naman. Sayang ang mababurn. Char!
So, nandito na talaga tayo, no? Pinapanood lang natin sa vlog. Oo nga.
Sa food, wala naman tayo magiging problem kasi
May KFC.
Papa John, may Wendy's.
KFC.
Gusto mo ng home comfort of staying familiar. But we will try first.
Guapo.
Boy.
Immerse yourself in the atmosphere of Uzbekistan. So,
May pila ba sila?
may garlic ketchup. May swamsa sila 20,000. Yeah, and then lamb kebab. You want chicken wings? Chicken wings? And then french fries. The rice is not long. If hindi kasha, then you can just eat. You can just order one. Order tayo ng one plain rice. Pero tingnan mo naman yung plain rice. 24.
Convert.
Mas konti na lang french fries na. Wag na. Magpila. May rice na kasi yan.
Mapipigilan.
But this is just one white rice. And then, drinks is I want. They have fresh juice. I like fresh juice. But mas mahal pa sa pilaf.
Talaga?
82 yung.
Wait, can I check this?
Parang GG ka eh, no?
Magkukok na lang ako.
Soft drinks na lang.
Gusto mo turon? Gusto mo
Turon.
turon? Nakalagay turon. Water to.
Grabe naman, sige, water na lang.
Eh, kasi yung water na 25, 18. Yung Coca-Cola na 25, 19.
I just want turon.
Water ka na lang. Still
Yes.
water. Ikaw din natin ako magkukok.
Can I make it cold?
So this is the menu of Boboy Uzbek Eatery. Andit sa mall kasi siya, so the price is mall price also. Pero masarap yung food nila. So feel free to pause and convert na lang how much. Thank you! Sarap. Ma-oil. Ma-oil siya, guys. Hindi pwedeng madami ang gird. Masarap. Garlic. Garlic bread. Kulang pa. Salt.
Please, lamb kebab
Chicken.
and chicken.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Ay, kebab pala. Bali, sabi mo nga ito. Ayun. Lamb and chicken. Okay. Chicken. Hirap din. Pero ayun, may lumabas na siya. So this is the view from the restaurant and makikita doon yung Tashkent City Park. And as you can see, meron silang fountain show tuwing gabi.
Double lucky, yeah. And then there's Cassie. Eh. What are you doing, Cassie? Being chillin'. Where are we?
So we ended our night by doing little bit of grocery, yung mga tingin namin kulang pa sa bahay. Pero during this time, I am quite overwhelmed kasi medyo malaki yung grocery store na napuntahan namin. Dito din pala, according dun sa mga Filipinos na nandito na sa Uzbekistan, medyo mahal yung price ng Walmart supermarket. Parang comparable siya daw sa Rustan's sa atin. So, we just bought few items, yung mga basic ones, and especially mga toiletries. Bumili din kami nitong egg. It's 36,000 soms. Or sa atin ay mga nasa 120, 130 pesos. 30 pieces na siya na organic egg. So for me, sulit naman siya. Siguro sa mga susunod na vlogs, we will show another supermarket here in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. But for now, thank you so much for watching our vlog number 4. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to all our social media accounts. Thank you and see you on our next vlog. Bye!